In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make branching questions in Google Forms. Branching questions are a fantastic way to create a dynamic and interactive survey or quiz that adapts based on how the respondent answers. By the end of this guide, you'll have a seamless, flowing form that tailors the questions to your respondent's previous answers, enhancing the user experience and ensuring you get the right data. So, let's get into it. First, you'll want to open your browser and head over to Google Forms. Simply type Google Forms in your search engine, click on the first link, and you'll be directed to the main page. Once you're there, you'll notice options for creating a blank form, using one of the templates, or opening a previous project if you're returning to a work in progress. For our purposes today, let's start with a fresh, blank form. It's always a good idea to name your form based on its purpose, so click in the top left corner where it says Untitled Form, and type in something meaningful. This helps keep things organized, especially when navigating through multiple projects. Once your form is named, you'll want to draft your questions. Click where it says Untitled Question and start typing your first question. Let's imagine you're running a customer satisfaction survey and you want feedback based on a product they recently purchased. Now, for branching to work effectively, it's crucial that the questions you want to lead to different sections are multiple choice. This question type allows Google Forms to guide respondents down different paths based on their answers. Now comes the fun part, creating sections. On the right-hand side, you'll see a menu with icons. Click on the one that looks like two rectangles stacked on top of each other. This option will allow you to add a new section. For our customer survey, you might label each section according to the product line in question. Repeat this step again for any additional sections you plan to include. After creating your sections, you'll return to your first question and click on the three-dot menu found at the bottom right corner of the question box. Select Go to Section based on answer. You'll see the options appear next to each choice you've created. Just select which section each choice should direct the respondent to. This step is pivotal because it ensures the right questions follow the initial responses. And there you have it, a basic branching question setup in Google Forms. You can further customize your form with themes, colors, and other question types by exploring the tools found in the menu bar at the top. Once satisfied, click the preview eye to see how it will appear to respondents. Remember, a clear and intuitive form not only collects data, but also provides the best experience for your audience. I hope this guide helps you turn a straightforward Google form into a well-tailored survey or quiz. Happy creating!